Now we busy with block scope. So block scope, the next context we'll cover is block scope. When a variable is defined inside a block, it is only accessible to the code within the curly braces. We say that variable has block scope because it is only accessible to lines of code within that block. Variables that are declared with block scope are known as local variables because they are only available to code that is part of the same block. Block scope works like this: const log sky color. Okay, so let color equal blue. Right, so there's no variable before the actual block. And then you call it just outside the block, and then you log the color. So if you do it without, it will be a reference error. Okay, I get it. So you'll notice we define a function log sky color. Within the function, the color variable is only available within the curly braces of the function. If we try to log the same variable outside the function, it throws a reference error. So in main.js, define a function log visible light waves. Okay, so log visible light waves. Okay, so within the log visible light waves function, use const, create a variable called light waves. Light waves, and set it equal to moonlight. Within the log visible light waves function, beneath the light waves variable, add a console.log. So just beneath it, still within the block scope, console log that will log the value of light waves. So light waves, right? Sorry, made an error, yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't have added the parentheses. Okay, so number 4, call the log visible light waves function from outside the function. Then moonlight. Beneath the function call, log the value of light waves to the console from outside of the function. Okay, so if I do that, obviously it's going to throw a reference error. So console.log that just outside. As you can see, there's the reference error. Right, so that's incorrect because it's block scope. Okay, moving forward.